Eevelle designs and manufactures high-quality performance products for those who love the outdoors. Our top-of-the-line boat covers are a high-performance line of semi-custom boat covers that are handcrafted in North America and rated #1 in customer satisfaction. Our marine-grade boat covers feature sewn-in shock cord for a snug fit and include 12 heavy-duty cover straps as well as stuff sack for storage when not in use. Before installing the cover on your boat, examine it for any sharp points that may potentially puncture the fabric. Cover these with an extra cloth or foam pad if necessary. Locate the sewn-in label that says front. Place the bow end of the rolled cover on or near the bow of your boat and unroll towards the stern or back, positioning it down the center of the boat as you unroll, and pull the cover open to the sides as you work toward the back of the boat. Adjust the cover fit by pulling cover tight to eliminate sagging areas. On a properly fit cover, the sides should come down past the rub rail of your boat and be above the trailer. Use the provided XT straps to tie down your cover for a snug and tight fit. Fasten XT straps along the trailer frame and tighten straps for a secure fit. Boat covers manufactured by Eevelle are high-performance covers that'll provide you with years of quality protection for your boat. Eevelle, quality and performance by design.